What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Roy's Customs. Today I'm just going to kind of show you a torque angle gauge. I'm going to try to explain it a little bit, what it's used for. First of all, you do know nowadays it's not, you know, torque your head bolts to this and then torque it to this. They want you to torque it and then they want you to turn it so many degrees. Well, it has 360 degrees on it. There is a 0 starting point. You also have this little rod here that you put through this little hole on this piece here, and then you tighten it down, and then of course you put whatever socket it is you need on it. And then this one is a 1/2 inch. So anyways, once you get it set in a good spot and you start from 0 degrees and then you turn it to whatever degrees it says that you need, like say it's 155 degrees, well, you turn it to 155 degrees and then your head bolts are torqued. So anyways, I just kind of wanted to show you that. It's pretty self-explanatory though how to use it. There really isn't any like directions. Like I say, it really is pretty much common sense on how to use it. Like I say, you find your 0 where you start from, and then you turn it to the angle that the book tells you to turn it to. So anyways, I picked mine up at AutoZone. I don't remember how much it was, but I will have a link down below for one, probably for Amazon. I'll see if I can find a couple on Amazon and give you a couple of options to choose from. This is the OEM Tools one. So I'll see if I can find this one on Amazon, because OEM Tools are, they're usually pretty decent on most of their stuff. So anyways, I'll find you a couple of options anyways. Link will be down below. So anyways, like I say, just a quick little explanation, you know, what it is and what it's for. I do think they have other ones like 3/8 and 1/4 inch too, because some of your smaller stuff does the same thing. But anyways, I'll just call that it for this video. I appreciate you guys watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, hit the notifications if you wish, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.